Hey everyone, my name is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel once again. So friends, in this video we are going to learn sentences. How to make sentences. And what do you mean by sentences? We make sentences with words. So in my previous video we have learned about words. Here we have a picture of parts of body. We have a body and a body has different parts. For example, head, eye, nose, mouth, ear, neck, etc. Exactly like our body, sentence has different parts. We call them noun, verb, adverb, conjunction, pronoun, adjective, preposition, interjection. So with the help of these words, we make sentences. These are 8 types of words, or we call them part of speech. These are part of a sentence, as I told you earlier. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So with the category, these are categories of word. So with the help of these category, we make sentence. So in my next video, we are going to learn which words come in noun category, which words come in verb category, which words come in pronoun category like adverb, preposition, adjective, conjunction and interjection. So there are so many words, those we will divide into different categories. As I told you earlier, we make sentences with the help of words. So here we have some words. These are noun, pronoun, preposition, adjective, etc. Now we are going to choose some word according to our sentence. Like I am going to make sentence with the help of these category. It could be noun, pronoun, preposition, adjective, adverb, etc. Now I am going to choose they, which is pronoun. Eat, this is verb. Delicious, this is adjective. Pizza, this is noun. So I made a sentence, they eat delicious pizza. Next sentence, I take Ria. Ria is a noun. Place, this word is verb. In, this is preposition. The, this is article. Garden. Ria plays in the garden. It is my next sentence. So according to my need, I have chosen word. Sentence formation. First subject, then verb, then ROP. What do you mean by subject? Subject means noun or pronoun. It could be noun or pronoun. Then we use verb. After subject, we use verb. Then we use ROP. What do you mean by ROP? Rest part of sentence, or we can say rest of part of sentence. It could be preposition, conjunction, article, any other noun, pronoun, etc. Now I'm going to make one sentence. I is a pronoun. Eat is a verb. Pizza, I eat pizza. So here I made a sentence, I eat pizza. I took some words. I need noun or pronoun. I need verb. I need again a noun. So I hope it's clear. In my next video, I'm going to make you understand like which word we have to use according to our need for making sentence. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.